Hi guys, welcome to Frugal It Out. Krista here. Today I am outside on this beautiful spring day. The sun is shining, there's no more snow on the ground, and it's not raining, so we are outside enjoying the weather. I am working on a little project. It's going to be a faux clock. Got my kids out here with me, and we are going to do some projects and enjoy the weather. Alright, so here are the spools. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to go with. I'm just going to go ahead and paint both of them and see which one I like the best after it's painted. I'm going just with the white paint that I painted my cabinets with. It's kind of gross and old, but I'm wanting a rustic look to these, so I really don't care how old it is. Alright, and so with this wood, it's already a raw wood, so you don't have to do any sanding or anything. Just slap on some paint and go at it. So after I'm done painting it, then I will go over with some sandpaper and scuff it up a little bit. Then I will take some stencils and black paint, and then put the numbers on there. All right, so I finished my first one. The base coat is all done. I thought I had some Roman numeral stencils here at the house, but I only found my letter ones, so I have to run to Hobby Lobby and see if I can find some Roman numeral stencils and grab some paint, black paint, because I ran out of that. But this is gonna be a really frugal project. I'm guessing probably around $10, $12 for the whole thing, but I will let you know when I'm finished how much everything costs. All right, so I've decided against going to the store to buy stencils, and so I was trying to make stencils on my computer. And I'm sitting here for the longest time trying to figure out how to write in Roman numeral when my husband reminds me that they're just letters. So I already have letter stencils. I'm not a blonde, but I had a major blonde moment. I was up until probably 2:30 in the morning stenciling all of the Roman numerals on there once I figured out that they're just letters and I could just stencil them. But to get the spacing out and to make them a circle was really hard. But I just used these little stencils. I traced them out with a pencil first so I could get the spacing. It wouldn't be anything permanent at first, and then I just went over with some black paint that I actually found at home, so I didn't even have to pay anything for this. It was completely free. You can't really get much more frugal than that. Here is the final result of the clock. I just put it up on, actually my husband put it up on the mantle this morning. It is huge, it is heavy, and I love it. So let us know what you think in the comments below. If you liked it, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed because we have some new and exciting projects coming. We will see you next time. Peace out.